Above the silence of Earth's upper atmosphere, something colossal stirs. It's invisible to the naked eye, gliding just beyond the reach of radar. A metallic glint flashes against the darkness, and then, nothing. But in that silence hides power capable of leveling entire armies before they even know they've been targeted. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's reality, built, tested, and now orbiting above our heads. The United States has just unveiled a $10 billion space weapons system that's unlike anything humanity has ever seen. A system that could rewrite the laws of modern warfare forever. Let's explore the 10 most unbelievable space weapons systems that are years ahead of their time. The Orbital Strike Platform, Project Thor. They call it the rods from God. Imagine a tungsten spear, heavier than a car, falling from orbit at 10 times the speed of sound. No explosives, no radiation, just raw kinetic destruction. When it strikes, the energy equals a small nuclear blast, without the fallout. Developed under a classified U.S. Air Force concept, Project Thor uses satellites armed with these rods to target any point on Earth within minutes. Cities, bunkers, even underground silos. Nothing survives the impact. It's power from the heavens, silent, unstoppable, and impossible to defend against. And it's only the beginning. But that's nothing compared to what's next. The X-37B spaceplane, the Phantom of the Skies. It looks like a miniature space shuttle, but the X-37B's purpose is far darker. Launched by the U.S. Space Force, it stays in orbit for hundreds of days, carrying secret payloads nobody on Earth can track. Its missions are classified, its trajectory unpredictable. Experts believe it can deploy small weapons, jam enemy satellites, or even snatch them from orbit. A ghost ship that watches everything and tells nothing. When it re-enters Earth's atmosphere, it vanishes into secrecy again. The X-37B is not just an aircraft. It's a message that America's reach now extends far beyond the clouds. The Guardian Laser Defense Network. High above the Pacific, an invisible web hums with light. Thousands of orbiting nodes powered by solar energy link together, forming what insiders call the Guardian Network. When an incoming threat, a missile or satellite, enters its detection field, beams of concentrated laser light crossfire in milliseconds. The result? The target vaporizes midair long before reaching Earth's defenses. These aren't science fiction lasers. They're real, tested prototypes built from decades of research at DARPA and Lockheed Martin. The Guardian Network doesn't just protect, it dominates space with invisible precision. And for America's rivals, it's a nightmare made of light. The Skyforge Rail Cannon. Orbiting hundreds of miles above Earth, this magnetic monster accelerates projectiles to hypersonic speeds. No explosives required. It uses electromagnetic force to hurl tungsten slugs faster than any bullet on Earth. One shot can puncture reinforced bunkers or disable enemy satellites in a single strike. Powered by nuclear microreactors, the Skyforge can fire indefinitely, its barrels glowing white-hot against the black of space. It's the first true space gun, a symbol of mechanical dominance beyond the atmosphere. And every time it fires, the world below trembles just a little bit more. Sentinel Swarm, the autonomous combat drones. Not all weapons need to be massive to be terrifying. The Sentinel Swarm is a fleet of AI-powered micro-drones the size of dinner plates. Deployed from orbit, they can enter Earth's atmosphere in clouds of hundreds, invisible to radar. Each drone carries sensors, electronic jammers, or small-scale explosives, capable of disrupting enemy communications or disabling defenses. Together, they form a digital hive mind, sharing data in real time. They think, move, and adapt as one. No pilot, no signal to intercept. Just intelligence, pure, evolving, and unstoppable. And if they ever turn against their creators, the consequences could be catastrophic. But number 7 takes the concept of control to an entirely new level. Valkyrie 9, the hypersonic space interceptor. It launches vertically like a missile, but behaves like a fighter jet once in orbit. Built by Boeing Phantom Works, Valkyrie 9 is a reusable interceptor capable of reaching Mach 25. It can chase and neutralize enemy satellites before they strike critical infrastructure. Armed with directed energy weapons, it doesn't just destroy targets, it erases them. In tests, Valkyrie 9 simulated engagements that no human pilot could survive. It's faster, smarter, and more precise than anything in history. And it's giving the US a head start in the race for orbital supremacy. The Ghost Fleet, cloaked orbital drones. No one knows how many there are. They don't appear on radar. They don't reflect sunlight. They drift in the shadow of Earth's night side, powered by quantum stealth plating and AI navigation. Each drone can deploy sensors, hack enemy systems, or relay communications across the globe without ever being detected. To the naked eye, they don't exist. But the world's top defense analysts are certain they're up there, watching, waiting. The Ghost Fleet proves that in modern warfare, the most dangerous weapons are the ones no one can see. The Solar Hammer, America's orbital energy weapon. At the center of the U.S. Space Force's $10 billion program lies its crown jewel, the Solar Hammer. An array of orbiting mirrors collects sunlight and channels it through focused beams toward ground targets. It can melt through steel bunkers, disable missiles mid-flight, or power entire bases remotely. Originally designed for clean energy, it was militarized to serve dual purposes, creation and destruction. Its beams are invisible, silent, and capable of striking across continents in seconds. When the hammer activates, it doesn't roar. It hums, a quiet, blinding reminder that light itself has become a weapon. From the silence of orbit to the chaos of battle, these machines represent the dawn of a new era. War is no longer fought on land, sea, or air, but in the cold vacuum above. From rail cannons to plasma shields, from ghost fleets to AI generals, these aren't just inventions. They are warnings. The line between defense and domination has blurred. Every new satellite launched is another piece in an invisible chess game, one that spans the entire planet. And as each nation races to build its own version of these weapons, the sky grows just a little more dangerous. What began as exploration has become weaponization. The stars, once symbols of hope, now hide weapons of unimaginable power. From orbital lasers to sentient defense systems, humanity's reach has extended beyond its wisdom. If this is what the world can build today, what will tomorrow look like? So look up, because somewhere, high above the clouds, a silent weapon is watching. Its sensors are awake, its systems are armed, and when it finally moves, the world will never be the same again. Which of these future weapons shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments below, and stay tuned, because the next revolution is already unfolding above our heads.